So the reason I'm in a car and the reason I went over to Weem's house is because he's taking his 1965 Mustang to Rooster's Hot Rod Shop. They're gonna look at it, they're gonna do a couple of things to it, they're gonna make it run better. The things that hot rod shops do to classic cars like that. Well, never a dull moment. Ugh. They got a flat tire, so this is going to be scary. By the way, I love this.
So is that smoke coming from underneath the car?
Yeah, it's not coming out of the car.
All right.
Well, I officially gotta change my pants now, so let's get out of here. The one thing that gorgeous 1965 Mustang does not have is air conditioning. Well, it does have air conditioning, but it ain't this cold and it ain't this strong, and he can't use it because it'll overheat the hot car, which is one of the reasons why he's going to Roosters. But man, after changing the tire, I'm very happy I'm in modern living right now. Sorry, Jared. Enjoy.
Made it up to Roosters alive.
Thanks to Jared over here making random turns without signaling and.
Oh, well, those blinkers are very dim.
Yeah, but 3 lanes. Oh wait, this is my exit. Yeah. All right, let's go drop off the car. Go look at something. I'm more interested in food right now because I'm a fat kid. We just got done having lunch with the Roosters, and then Jared had a few things he had to drop off to his friend Jeff over at Great Speed. So let's go check out our shop. It's now a few days later. Unfortunately, I don't know Jeff very well from Gray Speed, and it's just, he's more of a private person, so he likes to keep his garage to himself, kind of a thing. Completely understandable, regardless of which. Things for the hospitality. Your shop is absolutely gorgeous. At the same time, you know all the stuff you see on like Lowbrow and all those other websites that you're always really curious about what it looks like and what it feels like? He has a lot of it. That's somewhere to go look at it and actually touch it and see it and put it and size it out. So if you're looking for that lowbrow, built well, whatever stuff, go over to freaking Gray Speed. They'll have it. They'll let you touch it. But enough about that. Let's talk about the situation at hand. And the situation at hand is that I finally got this 360 camera. We have 3 days before I leave for Texas. The little bit that I've played with it, it's a much steeper learning curve than I thought. Like, if you pay attention right now, I'm gonna stop messing with the camera and just kind of let it do what it does, and you'll see that it kind of just rotates on its own. It's not a bad thing. It's just an accelerometer inside the camera that as you turn, it kind of stays still, kind of like in a weird compass way. That's just the camera. So again, the thing is that I just need to have a few more days with a learning curve to really start using it to its full capabilities. So let's go back to the normal camera mode on the Max. It's still an amazing action camera, so that's how I'm going to use it primarily for now. I'm working for Josh at the Shame tonight, so I'm gonna set it up, get some time lapses, you know, just kind of play with it a little bit, see what I can do with it. This whole idea of just set it and forget it, it's one of the big selling points of this camera. So let's just put it up at the bar, see how the night goes. We'll talk later. Man, I swear, bartending really whips my ass nowadays. I used to work 5 days a week for 10 to 12 hours a day on my feet bartending, and not like simple easy bartender, here's your beer, here's your shot. Like full-blown cocktails, draft ice, egg whites, things that you gotta shake for 25 minutes. Now I can barely pour beer for 5 hours. That's not what we're talking about. What we're talking about right now is this 360 camera. And after editing the footage from last night of the time lapse and the drifting issue, well, doing a little bit of research usually helps. Come to find out that there's a little button somewhere when you're editing the 360 footage, a button that looks like this, and you click it, it's the world lock button, and for whatever reason, I don't know what it is, I don't understand specifically what it's supposed to be there for. Like, is it supposed to be like the world turning emulate? Like, I don't know. But either way, it makes the camera drift. You hit that button, it stops drifting, and makes life way easier when it comes. Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going? Where? Not cap. Cool, buddy. Ugh, people, I swear. And thanks to my 360 camera, I now get better footage of dumb shit situations like that. One of the main reasons why I wanted to have a 360 camera, so I can mock people when they do dumb shit like this idiot. No, just go. Yeah, no, go for it. Dipshit. What the f? God. What the hell are people doing? Well, the good thing is I'm going to the Third Shame to have a drink, because today is Richard Boone's birthday. The cool thing about Richard Boone's birthday is that there's a tradition where we all do a crap ton of car bombs. And up until about what? Probably during the COVID shutdown is probably the first time we didn't really do it the way we used to do it. And what used to be done was this. For whatever age Richard was, that's how many car bombs we line up, and then everybody gets to partake. What are you waiting for? Oh, I swear to I mean God. Ugh. God. Alright, whatever. Ignore the idiot. Go back to the conversation. So whatever age Richard is how many car bombs get lined up, and for there you take one. And we cheers to Richard to another year. Last year they didn't go down like that because of the lockdown and like the restrictions, and it made it super difficult. We actually had to close the bar and make it a private event. Or just say that the bar wasn't open, actually. That's kind of what we did. And we just invited all of our friends, and, you know, we made sure everybody had a car bomb in their hand. But today, Mr. Boom is officially 70 years old. Now, if we're gonna line up 70 car bombs, I have no idea. It'll make for good footage. It'll make for good video. But if it actually happens like that, who knows? Puppy, 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 puppy. So that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna see the usual suspects. Gonna go have a couple drinks, have some fun. You're a asshole. Jesus Christ, I need to stop getting on this road. The only problem is that the only way to get home is the other road where I got hit. And I don't want to take that one anymore. See the usual suspects. We're gonna have a good time. You shut up, dog. See the show. Just really quick. These idiots have stopped because there's a one-way. There's no car from me. Jesus Christ. There's gonna be a lot of beeping out on this episode. Alright, shame.
And now chugging seltzers in 360.
Hell yeah. Here we go. Happy birthday, everybody. Very cold. Very cold.
Oh, yeah.
Nope. Wait. Back up. Oh, God.
My hole was not that.
I feel like I was more than the White Claw cans.
See, the great thing about a 360 camera is that I caught that.
Yeah, you did.
I'm in love with this thing right now.
Let's go clean up.
Oh, I'll just wash my You clean up?
I just body slam it. Just fucking.
Just swan dive, belly flop into it.
Thank you.
Everybody step up, make sure you get one.
Step up! Grab one. Don't drop it, just grab a glass and grab some Baileys and hold on to it.
So,
two down here.
yeah, go up.
Just grab, we're not gonna run out, let's just see who needs one.
Quiet down just for a second. I always say something stupid before we do this. I'm gonna say it now. So, 70 years old, right? So when I was a very young man, I never considered 70. It just seemed like a fucking life sentence, you know? But now, I understand that it is a lifetime opportunity. And so today,
And you got your hair!
today, I want to drink to all of you, and all of your lifetimes, and all of your opportunities, and thank you for being here and sharing this with me. I appreciate you. Long may you run.
As I can literally hear all you keyboard warriors already typing away so frantically because of my current attire, I gotta go run to pick up a few things for the Texas trip real quick. And I just wanted to say this. Richard, happy birthday, sir. Thanks for everything. You've been super awesome to me over the last couple of years. Oh, decade. Screw couple of years. I've been hanging out at the Shane for the last freaking 12. Boy, let me tell you, the man has some stories and they're fantastic stories. Ever get a chance to listen to them, because they will blow your mind at times. Like that one time he was hanging out with the lead singer of Led Zeppelin, and that other time where his girlfriend at the time was playing pinball with Lemmy of Motorhead. These are the stories that I have to listen to from Richard, and I love every single one of them. But this is where this video needs to come to an end. I have things I gotta do, hence I'm running out really quick to the Walgreens because it's right across the street, and we all know how this part of the video works. So folks, don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, catch you on the flip side. Woo!